my year 12 math students. Okay, we're asked to find the indefinite integral, so the integral of 8x cubed minus 3 over 2 root x plus 5 dx. So with respect to x, giving your answer in simplest form. So here I'm obviously going to be integrating the cases. The first step here is to write this horrible looking fraction in index form, so in power form. So I'm going to write down the integral sign. Okay, I'm going to copy down the 8x cubed. Then I'm going to rewrite this minus 3 over 2 root x. I'm going to write it as minus 3 over 2, so minus 3 halves. And then 1 over root x, okay, will be x to the minus half. So the minus makes it 1 over, and then the root here is going to be power over half. And then copy down the plus 5, okay, and then we obviously got the dx, okay. Now, integrating, guys, here is the opposite to the differentiating, okay? We're going to add 1 to the power and then divide by that new power. So we're going to have 8x to the power of 4 over 4, so 8x to the power of 4 over 4, minus 3 over 2, or 3 halves, x, and then I'm going to add 1 to the power, so be careful here, guys, here. Minus a half plus 1 makes plus a half, here, positive a half, and we're dividing it by half. And then the plus 5 goes to plus 5x, and then don't forget your constant of integration, the plus c, okay, your constant of integration. Okay, after that, guys, all we do is simplify, so we're going to have 8 over 4 makes 2, so we have 2x to the power of 4, okay, then we have minus 3 over 2, or minus 3 halves, and I'm dividing it by a half, so dividing by half, same as doubling it, okay, so times it by 2, so that becomes minus 6 over 2, okay, so it becomes minus 3x to the power of a half, plus 5x plus c. And that, guys, is how we do integration. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so don't ever forget your plus c, okay, your constant integration, okay, the plus c here, okay, when we have no limits. If we have limits, don't worry about the plus c, okay, but yeah, there's no limits, make sure to include your plus c, your constant of integration.